Hi, my name is Sharif, and today I'm going to show you how to download Python. I'm also going to show you how to download the Pycharm IDE, which will let you actually create Python programs. And then also I'm going to show you how to do a quick Hello World program using Python. So the first thing you're going to do is type in Python download into Google. Click Download Python. You'll see the latest version appear here. It's going to be 3.7.2 at the time of this video, but it could be a different version later. Just go ahead and click that. Download will start down here. Then also type in Pycharm in Google, and then instead of clicking this one, it's a little faster if you just click download Pycharm. Don't do the professional version. That is the paid for version, has some extra features, but all we need is the community version. Click download. This one is a pretty large download, so it takes a little bit of time. But while we're waiting for that one, we're going to do this one. So install Python 3.7.2. Before you click install now, make sure you add Python 3.7 to the path. You can do this manually, but it's much easier if you do it this way, so make sure you click that. And then click install now. This takes a little bit, so I'll go ahead and pause the video for a second. Okay, now that that's finished, what you'll see here is setup was successful. If you're new to Python, start with online tutorial. Now if you click this, it actually comes up with a lot of resources here. There's a ton of information here. Sometimes it gets a little technical, but it's a great resource and I use it all the time. So what you do is go back here, click close, and now our Pycharm community version is finished downloading. Click yes, click next, choose your destination folder. You can click here. You don't really need to mess with any of this other stuff. If you already have a JRE installed, don't worry about that. Don't click it. So you can click or unclick that. And click install. And this one takes a little while as well. So we'll go ahead and pause again. Okay, so check run Pycharm. Click finish. And then it should come up in a second. Or it'll stay down there. So all you have to do is do not import settings. Click OK. I prefer the dark theme, but whatever theme you choose, they both work exactly the same. If you're here, you don't need to really get into any of this right now to get started. Just start using Pycharm. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is create a new project. Click that. So we're going to call this one Hello World. Click create. And now it's creating our virtual environment. You can close those tips unless you want to check them out. They do give you some useful sometimes. Alright, so now we've this folder here. And we have this V&V folder here. All I want you to do is actually right click here. And we're not going to really worry about folder structure at the moment. I just want you to get a quick Hello World program done. So we're going to go right click that, new, go into Python file, click that, and you can call this one Hello World. I should have capitalized that. Hello World. Click OK. Alright, so Python is a very easy to read, intuitive language, and it's a really good language to learn first. So to do a Hello World, all you have to do is one line, print, which is a keyword, and then right here it shows it'll show you what you can actually put in here, and then it'll give you suggestions depending on how you're typing. Close that. Now get some parentheses, and then you can either use a colon, or not colon, a parenthesis, quotes, I don't know what I'm thinking, quotes or double quotes, it doesn't really matter. I have hello world, and then all you have to do is run. So you can run either from here, click run there, or you can right click and you have space here, click run here. And there's your hello world right there. This also shows you your file path for everything that you have. And then after that, you can also hit run up here just to rerun it. All right, and that concludes the first lesson. Next time we'll work on some other more interesting projects.